Hello viewers, welcome to my another video. Today I'll show how to delete your call history on your iPhone. You can easily delete your call history by tapping and swipe left. Then you see here delete option. Click on delete. Your call history are deleted. Now you can another way delete your call history from click edit and click minus icon, then click delete. Click minus icon, click delete, click minus icon, click delete. Or you can clear all your call history by one click. Click on clear. Then you see a pop-up, clear all recents. Click on all recents. Okay, your call history are deleted. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and watch more videos from Apple Info.